5 a.m. and we're about to get a sunset session. Beautiful sunrise. The waves are big, and I'm riding the softie because I'm honestly a little bit scared. A decent amount scared actually, but I'm gonna send it on the biggest wave possible. Okay, it's time to go. Made it back to the villa. This pool is probably the best part of a post-surf relaxation. It just wipes away all the soreness and sand and bug bites. It just feels...
And sweat.
Yeah, and sweat. It just feels so good, and I look forward to this little oasis after every single surf. So I hope it looks as pretty as it feels. Now that's a post-surf session meal right there.
Okay with you.
Alright, well, that wraps up the day and the vlog as well. We tried to go out for a sunset surf, but it was honestly massive, and one of the guys that we're staying with here literally came back and said he almost drowned when we were going out. So we ended up just coming back, jumping in the pool, drinking a beer, and we're about to head to dinner. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Peace out.